If you're trying to shop for the family and you don't want to deal with crowds and running around, there's one-stop shopping at Tanger Outlet. This is where you can go to find all of the steals and deals on top brands at great prices. Brands like American Eagle, Under Armour, Kate Spade, Calvin Klein, Banana Republic, and you can find so many gifts at exactly the price point you're looking for. Everything on this table is actually under $100. And look at my beautiful holiday family. So if you're looking for gifts for Dad, you can buy him clothes from Tommy Hilfiger or Calvin Klein. Mom is wearing J.Crew and Tanger Factory. And for our little ones, she's wearing a cute faux fur vest and her accessories are from J.Crew Factory and Oshkosh. So no matter what kind of gift you're looking for, if you look for a simple gift, say under $25, you can get it there, or something in the mid-range like $50 to $100, or that big splurge ticket item for that really special someone. This is your one-stop shopping for all the savings at the best brands. To find the location near you, you can go to Tanger.com or you can download the Tanger app so you can join the Tanger Club and get rewards and savings all through your holiday shopping.